How to edit songs in Suno AI 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, you need to come to the suno.com, that's the official website, and then you just have to simply go to your profile, and then you just have to simply select the library from here, and you just have to select your song, and then you just have to simply double click it, and then you can publish it directly, or you can just also uh, edit some information of your song, like you can uh, add a caption to your song, and rename the song name, and edit displayed lyrics. Like, so you can also edit the displayed lyrics, and then you can also click on more options and turn on the allow comments and allow remix options from here. And if you want to advance edit your song, you just have to simply click on here three dot, and you just have to simply click on remix or edit, and then open in editor. And to open an editor and use it, you have to purchase the pro plan, that is $10 per month. You can also get to see some options on the remix or edit options, like the cover option. If you click on the cover option, you can just change the cover of your song. You can also uh, do some extension, like you can extend your song, use styles and lyrics, and you can also adjust the speeds. And the crop and replace section is also available on the pro section, so pro version. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.